I know we're headed to the commissary to get groceries, but do you care if we make a side trip?
Okay.
Okay, this is supposed to be cool, but we'll see. All right, we are here. Let's take a drive-thru. Now here's the thing, you drive through, but there's so much to look at inside these little buildings, but if we go around this way, I'll be able to catch it, I think. Willie Nelson for president, that's priceless here. Yep, snow maybe. Oh no. We're gonna have such a glare. I'm gonna have to get out, I think. That's just not gonna work. Let's see here. She's got the money. Crawl ball. This bit of ball and string, and twigs, a fishing line, and roots was found in the craw of a chicken. Oh, she found. This is odd, isn't it? Well, you know what, guys? I thought this was going to be a really cool little drive for you guys to share with us, but I don't know. I'm hoping there's not too much reflection. So these are all shipping containers that they've fixed up to put memorabilia in. Weird stuff, yeah. Look at that. There we go. Anybody that wants to get the full feel of this place needs to drive through it. This is an odd place, that's for sure. There's so much in there to see. I want to do it right, but not right now. Funny. This is a bit disturbing. There's all these. Are these like buoys? Is that what they are? Like putting socks on a rooster? He couldn't hit the floor if he fell out of the bed. You can't ride and chew at the same time. Oh, there's just so many sayings on these. So crooked if he swallowed a nail, he'd throw up a corkscrew. Oh, too funny. Let's go look at some more of this. We went from the ox to the mule, from the mule to the horse, from the horse to the tractor. I can't go no higher. There's that old Singer sewing machine. Someone has put a lot of work into this. I mean, we can make light of it all we want, but this is pretty cool, actually. Just following along in the car. They call it a drive-through museum, but if you want to see, you gotta definitely get out and get away from the glare. I don't know where I am. Wait, I don't know where I'm going, but I'm on my way. That's funny. Look at those cans back there made into a fish. Interesting. We're just gonna walk on through here while I'm kind of taking this all in. Can you believe somebody took the time to do all this? That's so cool for people just to drive through and enjoy. You see Jeff in the background there? I'm trying to get the glare out. So cool. In 1837, P.T. Barnum's first traveling troop came through Russell County from Columbus on. I told I called my daughters and I said, you guys got to give me some words other than so cool, awesome. Chris says, I've used on spot. So I guess this is on spot. Oh, look at this. These are shells. That is cool. Sure what that is, but it must be an octopus maybe? Huh. Pure cell phone, man. There you go. Now let's we got this one out here left. Let's see what we got. Cow ants. Very cool in this old arrow stream, it looks like. That I thought was kind of cool. Seale, Alabama. Good use of shipping containers. That's for sure. Let's go pay and look and see. What'd you think?
It's amazing. I don't understand how somebody gets a hold of all this junk stuff.
I know.
And then creates stuff out of it.
Oh, speaker just turned off. Very cool. Very cool. And to share it, you know, open like this. I'm impressed.
Yeah.
Very impressed. Right. Now we'll do the commissary thing. Commissary. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We do hope you're enjoying sharing our travels with us.
And don't forget that thumbs up button and subscribe.
Have a great day, everybody.